Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by x. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s, capital B over s minus 4. Later that, we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about s minus 4. So capital A multiplied by s minus 4. About this one, it is missing about s. So capital B multiplied by s. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have negative 4, 8. Next, we need to compare coefficients. This one we have number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. This one equals to negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So we divide both sides by negative number 4. So a equals to 1 over 2. So we put 1 over 2 on here to find the value of b. So b equals to 1 over 2. Now we put 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 on here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.